While recording the voiceover for these videos, I use a pop filter on my Yeti microphone. It softens some of the louder noises called plosions, like explosions, but without the EX, that happen while speaking to improve your hearing experience. Here's a demo of what that sounds like with pop filter, without pop filter, with pop filter, without pop filter. Let me know in the comments if you can hear a difference, because I don't think that I can, but I'm just going to keep using a pop filter just in case. The issue I have with this pop filter is the mounting arm that it comes with. The clamp that it comes with is meant to mount to a cylindrical rod, which means that it leaves marks on the actual microphone, and the arm that it comes with is just impossible to keep in the right spot, and adjusting it is a bit of a pain. Let's take a look at some of the critical dimensions for this design. The body of the microphone is 70 millimeters, and the height that I have to work with is 8.5. Some of the videos I've watched have said to put the filter 3 finger lengths away from the microphone, and so we're going to call that 50 millimeters. Alright, so we've hopped into SolidWorks. You can see the front part of the bracket that I've modeled up here. You've got the bolts that are going to hold the split side together. You've got a pocket here for the pop filter to sit in with 4 bolts that are going to clamp on it. Here's the back side of the bracket. You can see that there's pockets here for nuts to be held in place, and this will just clamp the 2 sides together around the body of the microphone. Let's send this over to the slicer and then to the printer. My design requires that I remove the post that the filter is mounted to, and so I started with the hacksaw. That clearly wasn't going to work. The hacksaw is dull. Then I switched over to some pliers. I cut off the main portion of it, and then I found out that I could have just pried the plastic apart and pulled out that mounting post. So that's the way to go, is to just pull those 2 plastic parts apart and release the mounting post. The next step is to start assembly and insert the nuts into the pockets on the back bracket, followed by mounting the pop filter using 4 M3x6 bolts. Finally, we can bring both halves together using 2 M3x12 bolts. You can check out the description where I will leave some links to printables where you can download the STL files for this project, along with some links to the hardware that I used. Alright, so now I can talk into the microphone through the pop filter and not have to worry about using this flexi stand at all, which is really annoying and got in the way all the time. So now I can move the mic and the stand moves with it, and I don't have to worry about the stuff overhanging on the side. If you liked the video, leave a comment in the bottom. If you didn't like the video, you can also leave a comment in the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one.